What's up, guys? It's your squad. Yeah, today we're gonna be seeing what's inside this egg. I don't know if it's a pet or not. My pet is not really inside, but it kind of looks like a pet shape. So let's crack it open. Oh, okay. Oh, I see half of my pet. I see tiny of my pet right there. Can you see it? It's a tiny of my pet. Sorry guys, because I'm just a little bit sick. Also my brother. So let's keep reviewing what's inside this egg. There's some wrappers in the egg. So oh, can you see this? Can you see his butt? So I need to hurry up because I don't want to delete my memories because I don't want to waste this time. I don't want to delete my memories to get this long memory. Let's try doing a big piece off. See that? Okay. I'm getting this egg out for my mom to eat it. Can you see half of it? Half? I don't know why am I talking like Calvin. It's weird because I'm talking like Calvin. So, my dad has a little bit of memories, so we can make a longer vlog in his phone. And I need to hurry up because I need to end this vlog. Oh! Do you guys see my pet? He's literally looking at you. Let's see if we can get... Yay! We got fully fed! Alright, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. And bye! And he pooped out his poop. Now I gotta wash his booty. Bye!